All right, so I have to start this video. So what I really need people to do here is to take a moment and please vote for notification Twitch API edition. All right, so this on your screen right now. There's a URL here that is a suggestion box. I'll take you to it in a second. Where you can go to have this added. And did I get the whole thing? Suggestions through development. Okay. So if you could go there, here's why. So let me just give you a sense of this. If you're a Twitch user, or a streamer, you can edit the stream info and you can change the title right here through the API. And I do it through just a simple curl script, shell script. It's nice and easy. But this down here can't be changed, even though they're both 150 characters. And this can't be changed, but yet this is the thing that pops up. This is the thing that shows up on your phone. So if you've got Twitch on your phone and you want to see if somebody's live or something, this is what you'll see. And it doesn't put anything about the title at all. So you can't tell from the notification what the stream's going to be about, whether to tune in. It's just like, hey, have fun or whatever, right? And I go to great lengths to make sure these two are the same. So I have to go over here and copy this one to this one every time I do it by hand. If the API supported it, which is what that URL is, then I could do the two at the same time. They're both 150 characters, and it would make a lot of sense. And every user would know exactly what the stream was about. Another problem here is that when you do a particularly live stream on Twitch, like if you go for like over 24 hours, which I regularly do, because you're just leaving the fishies on or something, then you'll get people will get a random live notification in the middle of it. And so if this is out of date, maybe I update here and I say away or something, or fishies or something, and over here this is the same. People get notified, even though, and they get on, they come to see the fishies and they're pissed. They're mad because they're like, this notification isn't syncing up. And the whole thing would go away if this one API request would get voted through. So what I'm going to request of you is that you actually click on this link, and I'm going to put this out there to everybody out there who's sound of my voice. The link is in the description of the video. It's also right here. You can type it in, and it says, and down here it's called Live Notifications, and you can go upvote it. It seems like there's a lot of support for it, but this is not getting attention because they do things based on popularity and upvotes. So this is my plea to you to help me. If they add this, it's just like it's one tiny little thing that makes my life incredibly easier because all I have to do is do topic whatever from the command line, and boom, everything gets updated. And right now I can't. Right now I have to do that stupid little annoying thing. So take some time if you wouldn't mind, and do that if you support the stream, and perhaps you will get more informative notifications. I think they should actually add a toggle to it. Wouldn't that be cool if they added a toggle? They could, if they added a toggle, they could say lock live notifications to the title. And so you could have these two automatically synchronize so that they're always the same. That to me would be ideal. That would be the ideal thing, because I would just click that on and I wouldn't even have to think about it. But if they have both, then I can at least update both at the same time. It's two calls, but whatever. Shane here from YouTube. Hey, how's it going, Pokechop? You voted? Why I don't trust Twitch notifications? This is why I don't trust Twitch notifications. So I did say that. Twitch notifications are lies. Because if you've got fishies on, or the earthquake stream, or there's so many 24-hour streams that are legit, right? They're legit. And they get, unfortunately, if you follow those people, you get notified. In my particular case, it's really hard because I both have a long-term stream with the fishies. It's kind of a chat room. People come in and co-work, and it's like an IRC that has fish. That's really all it is, right? And I think that's a very legitimate model for Twitch. I think it's a very legitimate model because it's building a community room with advertising, so Twitch is happy, where people can just come in and talk and look at the fish and exchange ideas and talk at the water cooler, all the thing that makes IRC or Discord, popular with people. And yet, when I want to do a live stream, I can flip on my thing and now I'm in the video. So it's this hybrid, like IRC plus, fishy video and music, as well as the same place that I come in to do my live recordings. So So I like that particular approach. It's actually one of the advantages of Twitch, which Twitch does have a pretty decent API these days. They have taken it up a notch. They did take some things back from the API that kind of made me sad, but it's not what we're talking about right now. And so if you do want to stay tuned later tonight, I'm going to take a break right now real quick, like 5-10 minutes, and then I will be writing a bunch of shell scripts to interact with the YouTube API to do automatic video uploads and synchronization of descriptions to a GitHub repo API, to a GitHub repo that has descriptions saved in an organized way, so that I don't have to maintain the descriptions. I can just run sync, and it'll update all my YouTube videos and keep the two in sync. So if I have more than just, people always say in the show notes, go find this thing here. They'll be able to say, it's not just the show notes, right? It's like, go check this part of the Git repo. So like if you have a script there, or if you have an extra image resource or something like that, you can put it in your Git repo. So it's just that next level of show notes that you can provide for people. That's coming. I'll do another video about that. Thanks.